Before using the power brush, ensure the battery is fully charged by inserting the 110 volt plug into the socket. Before attaching the forklift to the power brush, ensure the 110 volt lead is removed and the battery is charged. Before filling the water tank with water, ensure the water tap is in the off position. Remove the water tank cap, fill the tank with water, replace the tank cap. As part of your pre-use check, we need to just check the bearings on the wheels. Check for hydraulic leaks. Check the adjustment chain is in its bracket and check the linch pin is secure. Insert the forks into the fork pockets. Once the forks are fully inserted, fit the fork retaining pins. Turn the ignition off and release the pressure to the auxiliary service. Detach the main hose couplings. Connect the hydraulic hose of the power brush to the machine. Check that the main brush is rotating and that the hopper is opening and closing fully. The height of the curve brush can be changed by using the screw adjuster. To adjust the main brush, release the bolt and reposition. To operate the water system, turn the water tap on. Check the water is flowing from the dispenser bar. For the pressurised water system, turn the electric switch on. The power brush is now ready for use. Stop the machine and turn the engine off. Release the pressure in the auxiliary line. Turn the water tap to the off position. In freezing conditions, remove the hose and drain the tank. Remove hydraulic pipes. Caution, these will be hot. Remove the fork retaining pins and refit into storage position. After use, lubricate the grease points. Recharge the battery.